yellow. So people ask, can you run these in snow? And I say over snow, not through snow. And I think today's weather is a perfect example of when you can drive any mobility scooter, enclosed or open. And because this is fine, this isn't plowed, but it's not, you're not getting the snow in underneath the plate underneath. So let's do some driving. Oh, Dasha. Pretty damn good. There should be snow tires in the future. Oh, getting some sliding. Do some donuts. That's fun. Matrix 4S in yellow. So the metallic paint, not quite as metallic as the other one. It's very exciting, especially to have it in the snow. We did the interior. The heat is excellent. We've already got lots of customers with these, and they've reported back to us that the heat is fantastic. It does not lack whatsoever. I like the mat because you can take this out if you needed to. See how it's holding the snow? That's good. It's not fabric, so it's gonna dry a lot better. So you got to turn the fan on here, and then PTC is the heat. Sorry, the light has to come on. Oh, sorry, it's very, very faint, but there's a little green line that goes on there. Because you got both. AC is AC. I don't know what PTC stands for. Yeah, now I've got heat. So what was that, about 10, 15 seconds?
Yeah.
I didn't have the button on at first. That helps. So I've got some heat happening here. You've got your defroster here, your heat here. So obviously the colder the weather, the longer it takes. This is not a car grade heater, okay? So if I were you, I would come out, start your car, turn the heat on, and then come out 10 minutes later and you're gonna have toasty car. Very good, and that's a heat. And we can turn it up. That'll help too. Nice. And then when I turn it off, this button, yes, it turns off automatically. Yeah. So when you turn it off, it turns the system off as well. Wish I had some snow to show to take some snow off. E-brake. Oh, you know what they've done? Because this is only the fourth one we've seen. All the interiors are coming with the black metallic that comes on the black ones, and the interior of all of them are the same. So now the e-brake, which I've explained before, it's mechanical. So if you drive with your e-brake on, there's nothing on the screen that's going to tell you that it's on. It's completely mechanical. There's no electric light coming on. So if it's not all the way down, you're going to wear through your brakes. So you're going to cause your motor to work a little harder. So just, you know, get in the habit of putting that all the way down, all the way up to stop it. So yeah, should I take another little ride? Drive, brakes down. fresh snow over here.